जब से आपकी वो जो इंस्टाग्राम स्टोरीज है, पहले माइक्स प्लीज दीजिए। द वेरी कूल थिंग इज, जब भी वरुण अपना गाना सुनते हैं वो गाड़ी में डांस करना शुरू कर देते हैं और फिर वो इंस्टाग्राम स्टोरी बन जाता है। हमने इनके इतने सारे इंस्टाग्राम स्टोरीज कैप्चर किए। वरुण, वो फीलिंग क्या होती है? मतलब गाना बजते ही आप ऑटोमेटिकली अंदर से हो जाता है।
यू नो ऑनेस्टली, ये पहले तो सबको व्हाट्सअप, कैसे हो आप लोग? थैंक यू एवरीवन फॉर कमिंग टुडे। आलिया ने बोला आज सैटरडे है, मीडिया को थैंक यू बोलना है कि सैटरडे के दिन सुबह में आए सब लोग।
हाँ, वीकेंड है ना, ऑफ कोर्स। कल रात को पार्टी किया है? हाँ, किसी ने पार्टी किया है? सबने पार्टी किया है।
She's partied.
Oh, superb. So
Yes.
thank you for being here at in the 12 in the afternoon.
Nice. But
यू नो जेन्युइनली अगर मैं कोई भी फिल्म करता हूँ, वो फिल्म से एक दो गाने होते हैं जो ऑब्वियसली यू लाइक मोर देन द अदर सॉन्ग्स। तो जब मुझे कोई भी गाना बहुत ज्यादा पसंद आता है, आई कांट कंट्रोल माई सेल्फ। इफ यू प्ले इट एनीवे, आई माइट स्टार्ट डांसिंग। इवन इफ आई एम ऑन द रोड एंड इट प्लेज, आई जस्ट लाइक गिव अ लिटिल।
I'll tell you, वरुण को खुशी होती है कि मेरा गाना बज रहा है, it's playing. So even I'm on the phone with him and suddenly the song will start playing. अगर हम लोग कोई important भी बात कर रहे हैं ना, he'll stop talking and say the song is playing, change, put the channel. So it is just excitement, passion or excitement.
It's only passion.
Varun, but we have to do something. Touch wood. This man has till date not given this industry a single follow-up film. Please give him a big round of applause. He's one of the most successful actors of our generation. I think Varun, आप जो भी करते हैं ना, वो ऐसा एक मिडास टच जैसे होता है। मिडास टच हो ही जाता है। So I think recreating this song, इतना सारा डांसिंग, इतना सारा, ट्रेलर बड़ा ही क्यूट था यार, बहुत क्यूट लगा हमें। इस गाने के पीछे माधुरी जी एंड संजू बाबा, हाउ इज दैट फीलिंग? मतलब
And Saroj ji.
of course, yes.
I think हम सब बहुत nervous थे. Me, Varun, Shashank, Bosco, who has choreographed the song, and we were all very nervous. But I think हमारा एक ही एजेंडा था कि हमको recreate नहीं करना है, हमको tribute देना है almost. कि हम लोग जब क्लब में होते हैं, I'm sure जिन्होंने भी रात को क्लबिंग किया है, I'm sure जब बॉलीवुड नाइट होता है और अगर कोई पुराना गाना बजता है, we all get so excited, right? तो ये वही है, पुराना गाना बज रहा है,
ट्रिब्यूट।
यू नो, और आजकल ट्रेंड चल रहा है टू रिक्रिएट द ओल्ड हिंदी सॉन्ग्स, बट व्हाट वी हैव डन इन दिस, व्हाट्स डन ब्यूटीफुली बाय तनिष्क, हु इज आवर म्यूजिक डायरेक्टर, वी हैव रिटेन्ड द ओल्ड वॉइसेस। बप्पीदा की आवाज है, अनुराधा पोडवाल की आवाज है इसमें, अमीन सियानी इज ऑल्सो देयर। सो एनी ऑब्वियसली आरजे आप हो तो आपको पता है हु ही इज अ लेजेंड इन द आरजेइंग वर्ल्ड। अमीन सियानी की भी आवाज है इसमें। सो वी इट्स एक्चुअली अ हैशटैग TBT, इट्स एक्चुअली अ थ्रोबैक, एंड बादशाह इज ऑल्सो रैप्ड इन दिस। सो इट्स अ फ्यूजन ऑफ ओल्ड एंड न्यू, एंड आई थिंक सबसे ज्यादा प्रेशर बॉस्को के ऊपर होगा। ही इज ओवर हियर, किधर छुपे हुए बॉस्को, उधर छुपे हुए हैं। सुभाष घई की टोपी चुरा के आए वो आज। पर क्योंकि बॉस्को, were you stressed recreating this song because Saroj ji being the legendary choreographer that she is? झूठ बोल रहा है आदमी, but no, I think we all were little nervous obviously, but this is our take on it and we don't want to take more time. I know you all want to see the song, judge it, criticize it, praise it, but honestly हम लोग ने दिल से किया है। like or dislike it, you all can say whatever you all want, but we honestly had a blast doing it and we've already got a thumbs up from Baba and Madhuri ma'am.
ji.
So let's have the song.
Let's have the song, guys. See it and then tell us what you feel. Okay, once more.
चलो once more. बाबा बॉस, मैजिक। Oh, I just think, so एक काम करते हैं।
No, we'll do it live, but I have to do this. I think it's very unfair. I think the two people behind this song who are so important. One is Bosco. We could not have done this song without Bosco. It's so difficult to recreate a Saroj Khan song. Let's hear it for Bosco, guys!
Bosco!
on stage.
Come, Boski.
And the second person and the most important person in this film, I think Shashank Khaitan, the director, the actual hero of this film. Please hear it for him. He's the director of
Who's
Hamshi
also
Sharma
a
Ki
fabulous
Dulhaniya
dancer, Shashank.
and of Badrinath Ki Dulhaniya.
Woo!
Shashank Khaitan.
Shashank knows all
He
the hook
doesn't
steps.
own
Huh?
Khaitan fans.
He's done it.
He's still very, very popular.
All right. So यहाँ पर what we're going to do is you're going to teach the audience. you're
I
gonna
think
teach me, all
Bosco
of
should
us.
teach everyone.
Okay.
First, I
Shashank
think
will teach, I think.
Shashank himself used to be a dancer, by the way, guys.
Let's do specialized jobs. You do your thing.
No, but how are you feeling seeing this?
I think it's
Bosco?
fantastic. There's too much pressure when Varun said we're doing Shashank said we got Tamma Tamma. So there was so much pressure on us to recreate this world because I think they're taking some 10 days and that's how I rehearsed for 19 days.
He told us.
2 months, yeah.
Sanju sir told us, he met him last night, he said, मैंने 2
Shashank-
महीने के लिए rehearsal किया था इस
Shashank
गाने
gave
के
us
लिए.
only 4 days.
But Varun, how did Sanju Baba actually tell it to you? मतलब how did he say it to you?
He says, यार मैंने तो 2 महीने के लिए rehearsal किया था. He told Alia to put the speaker on and then Alia took a lot of time and then he told Alia, are you drunk or am I drunk?
I think can you teach us this step? Can you हो जाए हमारे audience
हाँ,
के हमारे लिए?
तो
Please, सिखा
Bosco,
दीजिए.
I think you should
Say,
go for it.
before we do that, we can end this with that. Do you guys want to start with the questions first? No.
Dance पहले करेंगे.
I think Varun and Alia should show us what
Okay.
they learned from
Yeah.
Madhuri ma'am. Yeah, Madhuri ma'am taught you all something.
नहीं,
Show us that.
माधुरी
the
ने
original.
हाँ माधुरी मैम ने हमको ओरिजिनल हुक स्टेप सिखाया. वरुण प्लीज दिखाइए.
नहीं.
चलो.
ओरिजिनल क्या था?
नहीं, I think जो हमें आता है हम लोग वही करते हैं भाई. हम लोग का ग्रेड थोड़ा लोअर है. मतलब हाई है, सॉरी.
चलो आ जाओ भाई.
आ जाओ.
नहीं हमारा ग्रेड लो नहीं.
तू decide कर ले.
वो मस्त है.
नहीं पर हमने वर्जन किया है. If you all have noticed, हमने वो किक वाला स्टेप भी किया था. मोटा है.
I got it ना मैम. मैम मैं आपको वैलेंटाइंस डे पे बाहर लेके जा रहा हूँ इस बार. आप हमेशा से मेरी
But you
शुभचिंतक
actually
हो.
got the original step. I was still struggling.
No.
You got it.
She's saying yeah, that's right.
Yeah. But it's right. सच है. But okay, Bosco, why don't you show us the Tamma Tamma step?
I think. Yeah.
एक बार म्यूजिक
someone-
के साथ बंद कर देगा अवार्ड वाले.
But I think that was fabulous. अब आपके तरफ से सांस वापस ले लेते हैं. Question and answer session. Please आपका नाम लीजिए, आपके
Hi,
company का, और फिर सवाल पूछिए.
वरुण आलिया, मेरा सवाल आपसे है कि पहले वाले गाने की क्या यादें थी आपकी, अगर आपको याद आता हो.
चेयर निकाल लेते
नहीं
हैं.
चाहिए, हम खड़े रहेंगे. थैंक यू.
आप किधर से बोल रहे हो सर? आरजे आलोक सर, आप नए नए लुक में आते हैं रोज.
सर पार्टी के हिसाब से आया.
हाँ, आज आप कोई दूसरे देश के लग रहे हो.
He's come as a Cuban today. He's looking like Cuba mafia.
Yeah.
तो फुल रेट्रो वाइब है आपका, बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है.
सॉरी सर, हाँ जी बोलिए.
तो पहले वाले गाने की क्या यादें हैं, अगर आज याद आता है कि संजू बाबा माधुरी स्टेज पे.
अगर वो आज ये स्टेज पे होते तो हम लोग ये
नहीं होते.
बिल्डिंग में नहीं होते. पर नो, आई थिंक व्हाट वी डिड वाज हम लोग ने जाके संजू सर को गाना दिखाया, हम लोग ने जाके माधुरी मैम को गाना दिखाया, एंड दे बोथ gave us that encouragement, and that's why we are so fired up today. More than that, I think Bappi Da, who's the original creator of this track, he's re-recorded his voice after so many years. Bappi Da re-recorded his voice. He's in this track, and when he gave his blessing, I mean, I spoke to him saying, "Tu mera bachcha hai," and all. So I felt so good about that. And Sanju sir to said he's played with Alia as a literally like a toddler, like
As a child, yeah.
as a child, मतलब you're a baby.
I was a baby when I'm still a baby, but
Alia, अभी तो आलिया बड़ी हो गई है या नहीं बड़ी हो गई है? अभी हो गई यार.
nobody's agreeing. 3 people have said हाँ हो गई है. सब लोग कह रहे हैं नहीं बच्ची है अभी भी.
और इसमें नागिन वाला
What do I feel? मैं अभी 24 की होने वाली हूँ, तो मुझे लगता है कि बहुत बड़ी हो
काफी
गई
है 24.
पिछले साल से तो बड़ी हो गई हूँ मैं.
Alia, here. Madhuri is known for a great dancing moves. Was it a little difficult on your part to step into her shoes for this?
तो
song?
मैंने एक्चुअली ट्रेलर लॉन्च पे ही बोल दिया था that I am not trying to step into her shoes because that is totally impossible. Obviously बहुत, इनफैक्ट जब हम गए थे उनको दिखाने के लिए मैं ऐसे बैठी थी वहाँ पे because I was so nervous क्योंकि मैं बहुत बड़ी fan हूँ उनकी. And Varun was saying, you know, Alia, I want to take a video of Madhuri ji, but looking at you, I just want to take a video of your expression right now.
मतलब माधुरी मैम ऐसे देख रही थी और आलिया माधुरी मैम को देखे. Reaction for 3 minutes आलिया was just like
The night before that मेरे को सपने आ रहे थे कि I was supposed to go to her house and I forgot to go and I was getting nightmares and getting so scared because it's such a
even
big
when we
deal.
went to meet Sanju sir, so we were sitting in the car and Alia told her drivers only, हाँ बाबा के घर लो, बाबा के. सर बाबा के घर तेरे दोस्त है क्या? बाबा के घर.
1 second. I said आपको संजय दत्त का घर पता है? He said हाँ पता है. Then Sunil, my driver, who's a very big fan of Sanjay Dutt, he told Manoj, who is Varun's driver, बाबा के घर जाना है. So he is the one who said Baba, not me. No, but everybody calls him Baba, so then, but I said Sanjay Dutt.
Can you share some anecdotes, both of you, about your first meeting with both Sanjay and Madhuri as a child?
Actually, I have a great. My dad was doing this film with Madhuri ma'am called Yarana, which had Rishi Kapoor and her, and we were shooting in Switzerland, and there would be these long bus rides where we would go, and in the bus we would play the song. Sorry, in the bus we would play the song, and I would remember dancing with her. I would dance a lot with her. So, in fact, recently when I met her, she said, Varun, the way you danced with me in that bus, till date you've never danced on screen like that. Because obviously I was much younger then, and she's like, the day you do that, that's the time you'll be completely free because you didn't care who I was, what I was, you were just dancing and enjoying us. I mean, I didn't, in my brain at that time, I couldn't fathom that I was dancing with the country's biggest star at that moment. But, so I've danced with her in a bus.
Alia?
You had your own version of Chaiya Chaiya, but in a bus. मुझे याद नहीं है exactly. But I know I remember having Sanju around as a kid a lot क्योंकि he spent a lot of time with my father. So he knows me since I was a child. Madhuri ma'am, I think I met when I became an actor only. I don't think I met her. But actually मुझे बहुत सारे लोग बोलते कि you know I know you since you were so small. But when I was so small, I had no idea who anybody
Listen, I'm
was.
still so small only.
वरुण इसमें नागिन जैसी लड़की का क्या है? कुछ वो फिल्म में डायलॉग
कौन सी लड़की सर?
इसमें
बीन
नागिन
बजाती हुई
बीन
नागिन।
बजाती-
ये है ना नगीना.
तो सिर्फ गाने में ही है या फिल्म में भी ऐसी कुछ बातें होंगी?
फिल्म में भी है. एक्चुअली स्टूडेंट ऑफ द ईयर से ये जोक चलता था जब मिकी कॉन्ट्रैक्टर इनका मेकअप करते थे. ये अपना
You remember?
ये अपना लिपस्टिक खा जाती थी. तो लिपस्टिक डालते थे. ये खाना नहीं खाती थी बिकॉज शी वाज ट्राइंग टू लूज वेट.
Don't say
लिपस्टिक
that.
खा लेती थी. So we would call her Nagina.
एक्चुअली मेरा पेट नेम है नगीना, but I think उसका इससे कोई रिलेशन नहीं है.
I think that's all credit to Tanishq Bagchi, who's the music director and who's recreated the song beautifully for us. Amin Siani ki आवाज है. He's 90 years old, guys, and he's recorded this. Voice is his real voice, and he's done it now. So I mean, thank you, Amin Saab, for doing that for us. Thank you.
Shashank, hi.
Yeah, hi.
Any particular reason for choosing this song? And
as-
how did you, and where does this song fit in the movie? Is it just a promotional, or like how does
No,
it?
no, no.
It's
a part
very
of
much part of the movie. It's as we mentioned earlier, the fact that when we go out and we club, and if an old Bollywood song plays, we know the song, we lip sync to the song as well, and we kind of try and do all the popular dance moves. So that's exactly how it is placed in the movie. It's a bunch of friends going out, they're partying, and when they go out partying, it's the song that plays. And the whole idea, even when I met Bosco for the first time, we said that let's not try and create any new dance move, but let's try and give our tribute to the 90s. Let's give a throwback to all the 90s, because what happens is everyone doesn't know the hook step. So they know one hook step, and then we start putting in all the other hook steps of all the other song in the same song. So that was really the idea of recreating it. And why Tamma Tamma? I mean, if someone offers me Tamma Tamma again, I'll do it all over again. It's a fabulous song.
You'll
I
have
was
to do
9
it
years
with
old
me.
when I heard it the first time.
You'll have to do it with me again.
Which one? Again with Bosco.
Correct.
Yeah, hi Varun and
Hello, sir.
Alia. The song is fabulous. जब आपको पता चला कि ये song करना है, how much were you excited? And definitely we know कि Varun and Alia are like very dance freak, in fact. Like, how much you enjoy shooting?
Dance freak?
You
Free
enjoy
or freak?
dancing.
हाँ, yeah. of
Alia is
course.
a freak.
I don't know. I was very excited. Varun actually was the one who called me up and said, Alia, we're doing Tamma Tamma. We have to bring our A game on. We have to rehearse. We have to look amazing. We have to look smashing. Because that's what Varun always does. No? He'll always call me up and charge me up. And if I'm even a little bit down, I'll suddenly be up and I'll be all over the place. But that's actually how excited we were. I mean, as Shashank said, if we had given the chance, we'll do it all over again. But I'm glad you guys liked it. Hit hogi, na?
Yeah, definitely. Varun, what?
I'll tell you something very it might sound freaky. I knew I'm going to do this song someday in my career. And this happened to me when I was 16 years old, working out with Sanjay Dutt in his own gym. And he had his CD disc player that time, and there was this Tamma Tamma written on it with fell pen. So it was the original mix version, I mean, of that time. And I said, Sanju sir, can I play this? And I was like, yeah, play. And he was in a Ganji, and he had this weight marne ke liye wo band pehante, wo pehna hua tha. And we put it on, and the dun. And I was just looking at him, and he's double my size. But I was like, dude, अगर मैं ये गाना करूँगा तो मेरा क्या होगा? लोग पागल हो जाएंगे. Tamma Tamma again. I started imagining वो bubble आता है. And it's happened now. And if you dream it, it can happen.
A
that's
very
it, yeah.
freaky story to this is when I was studying filmmaking in my institute. We were all 90s fans. And the minute Tamma Tamma used to play, I was like, this song is going to be in my movie one day. So it is so freaky. And I know all my friends right now are going to be thinking about it. So,
But we have to thank T-Series, Bhushan sir, for...
Absolutely.
And
He promised us that he's going to do the step with us, but I don't think he's come.
Bosco, what have you to say about your experience doing this song and when you came to know about this particular song, कि ये song करना है, Arun है, Alia है, what was your preparation from your side?
Actually, Shashank made it very easy. उसने बोला we'll retain the steps, तो मेरे लिए बहुत easy हो गया था. And he brought in a new idea. He said that there's this new thing that's called mannequin challenge that's happening, and we retained that and in a very cool way. So we had a lot of ideas. So if you see that the glass, the water spilling, we've actually used wax. So it's all in mid-air. So it's all live. And then there's a record player which we hung through the tangus. So I'm giving all these secrets so that you guys know. And these cool ideas came in, and with Alia and Varun, who's a ball of energy, when खड़े रहते हुए ऐसा लग रहा डांस कर रहा है. So I think it's fantastic to work with them and recreate this whole world which was done by legends. So we're proud to be a part of it.
Bosco,
Alia, Varun. Yeah, hi.
Ladies first है bro. Ladies first.
आज तुम चौथे कैसे गए? पहले कैसे नहीं गए? हाँ? कुछ गड़बड़ है? तबीयत ठीक है?
नहीं ठीक है.
हाँ? Okay.
ओके तो हमने देखा, सबसे पहले तो कॉन्ग्रेचुलेशन, हमने देखा बहुत ही एनर्जी दिखाई है आप लोगों ने गाने में, लेकिन क्योंकि गाने की जो लाइन होती है तू प्रेमी से स्टार्ट होती है और वैलेंटाइन डे भी आने वाला है, तो क्या कुछ स्पेसिफिक प्लानिंग करने वाले हैं आप लोग?
बोल दिया
आई मिस्ड यू. ये तुम्हारा जो सवाल मैंने बहुत मिस किया. तू प्रेमी हमारे लिए कौन है वरुण?
पहले तो तू प्रेमी मैं इनको बोल रहा हूँ. आंटी
रियल लाइफ में कौन है तू प्रेमी? पूछ कर था.
कौन है?
मेरे लिए कोई प्रेमी नहीं है भाई.
बोल दो.
ओह,
प्रेम चुप रहा है.
एंड वरुण एंड आलिया आज प्रॉमिस डे भी है तो आज
डे कौन सा है भाई?
प्रॉमिस डे.
अरे रोज कोई ना कोई दिन होता है यार. आज एक ही दिन
क्या
है.
क्या
और
प्रॉमिस डे? प्रॉमिस डे. तो आज आप हमको एक प्रॉमिस कीजिए
क्या
कि आज के बाद आप प्रेमी के बारे में नहीं पूछेंगे.
ये ऐसे
हाँ?
कैसे हो
आप तू प्रेमी देखिए बट पूछेगा नहीं.
और आज कोई प्रॉमिस डे मेरे को ये सब पता नहीं. आज एक ही दिन है जो मुझे बचपन से दिखाया था और उसका नाम है सैटरडे. बस वही. प्रॉमिस डे किसने बोला है? आज है क्या?
अरे डे बिफोर यस्टरडे वाज प्रपोज डे.
Valentine's week.
किसने रखा है प्रॉमिस आज
Chocolate day,
तक
teddy
दुनिया
day,
में?
hug day.
वैलेंटाइंस डे ठीक है.
मेरे को क्या क्या प्रॉमिस हुआ था अब तक नहीं हुआ है मेरे साथ. टाइम है.
शशांक,
हाय सशक्ष.
मैम यू आस्क. मैम इनको पूछो तो फिर उसके बाद आप पूछो.
Last two questions, guys.
First of all, Uncle, this is absolutely awesome. The song is smashing.
Thank you. I will gift you this ball.
And since it's so much fun, why don't you share some fun behind the scenes stories from the song shooting?
Varun, say it, Varun.
I was outstanding. Sorry, but I'm not allowed to say it.
Varun, say it, Varun.
आई एम अलाउइंग यू से इट. प्रॉमिस कर रही होगे तुम कर सकते हो.
Alia cried while we were shooting the song.
But that's not a fun anecdote at all.
Because of Bosco.
It was great fun for us
It was
to see her.
keep quiet.
Again?
It was not because of Bosco.
हेलो
बढ़िया I cried.
वरुण व्हाट अबाउट अदर सॉन्ग्स ऑफ
पाजी कैसे हो पाजी? बोलो जी.
बाकी के गानों के बारे में कुछ बताइए.
ये बहुत अच्छा सवाल पूछा आपने. बाकी के गाने भी बड़े चंगे जी. एक गाना है हमारा हम सफर जो नेक्स्ट रिलीज होने वाला है जो अखिल एक लड़का है, नया लड़का है. हाउ ओल्ड इज ही? 27. अच्छा थोड़ा मेरे को लगा बहुत यंग है तो मैं बोल देता तो इम्पैक्ट होता. बट
27 young ही होता.
बट नया म्यूजिशियन है एंड ही उसकी खुद की धुन है एंड ही क्रिएटेड दैट. वी हैव दैट. Then there's Ashik Surrender, which Amal Malik has done for us, which is an outstanding track. And there's Roke Na Ruke Naina, जो एक emotional track है, जिसने Amal Malik ने किया. एक हम लोग ने ये कोशिश की है फिल्म में. All the musicians are all new budding talents, and that is the whole. मतलब पूरे फिल्म में जो हमारी crew है, everyone is practically new.
Everybody's budding.
शशांक आप
We have some award winners also.
One last question, guys.
वरुण वरुण जी यहाँ पर वरुण आपने गोविंदा का बयान सुना होगा. उन्होंने काफी
नहीं सुना.
आपने नहीं सुना तो मैं बता दूं. उन्होंने देविद जी के लिए काफी कुछ कहा है कि उन्होंने
मुझे सुनाई नहीं दे रहा है.
आज promised है.
हाँ. शशांक.
Yes, ma'am.
शशांक, आपने इसमें बप्पी दा को क्यों
वरुण
नहीं
will
रखा? म्यूजिक डायरेक्टर आपने उनकी वॉइस ली, म्यूजिक भी काफी अच्छा है लेकिन उनको क्यों नहीं रखा?
This is the last question, huh, guys?
Right. Ma'am, actually, we just heard a song. हमारे को ये गाना तनिष ने सुनाया. We immediately reacted to the song and the idea was that he sings it. So we didn't really think so much कि हम किसी को approach करेंगे या. We were extremely excited that we heard this song and he agreed to give
But
his
Tanishq
voice.
ने
And he
पहले-
did it with his blessing. So I think that's all important.
Tanishq sent the song to Bappida, asked him, and Bappida spoke to Tanishq, and they had that conversation. I think Bappida gave his own views कि ये भी कर सकते. So it's a very collaborative effort. This song will always remain Bappida's. It is his song, and it will forever be Bappida's song. It will forever be Sanjay Dutt, Madhuri Dixit, Saroj Khan. It is their song. It is just how young people, when they hear a song, जो पुराना गाना होता है, जैसे आप लोग कभी देवानंद का गाना सुनते हो या दिलीप कुमार का गाना सुनते हो, those memories get refreshed. So same way for us, we go through
You
that
know,
nostalgia.
like I was 9 years old when I heard the song for the first time, and I think we feel extremely blessed that all of them have given us their blessings. We are really honored. So उन सब ने बहुत अच्छी चीजें बोली and we are just praying that it works out well for us.
Thank you. That will be it. That will be it.
क्या करना है? हाँ फोटो करेंगे. उस जाने से पहले आपने देखा होगा गाने में कि हमने मैनिक्विन चैलेंज किया है. तो बहुत सारे लोग हैं यहाँ पे. एक बार हम सब मैनिक्विन चैलेंज कर लेते हैं. हाँ पता है ना मैनिक्विन चैलेंज 50 बार किया होगा. चलो हु इज रिकॉर्डिंग द मैनिक्विन चैलेंज? योर रिकॉर्डिंग. एवरीबॉडी हैज टू फ्रीज.
Choreographing it.
पर कोई अतरंगी पोज में फ्रीज करो. हाँ ऐसे कंफर्टेबली नहीं बैठ सकते तो वो थोड़ी ना होता है मैनिक्विन. ओके We're starting. Everybody has to freeze, huh? Anybody who moves will have to do
But
some
they
20
should
steps.
stand and create
मनोज ही हिलता है,
distance.
मनोज तू हिलेगा ना सब लोग पकड़ के मारो इसको.
Just
Last
stand
time तो
and
हिला था
create
जब बच्चों के
distance.
साथ मैंने किया था. He had moved. मैं फोटो.
Arun, you have to stand on one leg. एक leg पे खड़ी होना मैंने.
Where's Shashank
आराम
running?
से.
Director साहब.
Shashank is going to.
Director साहब कहाँ जा रहे हो?
He's going for shooting.
Okay, ready. थोड़ा पीछे.
हुई